So what's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing and checking out the Husky guaranteed for life floor liners for my Subaru or any vehicle you may have. I got it from Amazon from one of those sellers. It was a good price. Only problem is it didn't come with the tabs that go up here. So we're going to put them in today anyway without the tabs. But I suspect with these hundreds of little spikes, which are really sharp, I don't think this thing's gonna move at all or slide around. It's gonna be in there pretty good. At least this is what I suspect. So let's put it in there one-handed. See how easy it is. It just fell right in. Let's see if we could punch one of these tabs through the hole. That's gonna take a little massaging. Maybe I'll have to work a razor blade around that hole. But despite that, it went in fine. It's got all the lines, the contours. It's got this up here, goes really high. It's molded pretty well to this car. Can't complain. It looks good. I think I got full confidence that I could go in there with a wet boot, with snow, with rain, and pretty much guarantee my rugs are going to be protected, my car won't get sloppy, and dirt, water won't be an issue. See, I got the driver's side in. What's good about the driver's side is has a dead pedal, full protection. And over there, in the past, people had to cut out their gas tank door lever. They had a space for it, but I saw some people on YouTube cutting it out. I guess they updated the design, and now it's already notched, nice and clean, no extra work. Again, no tabs for the little plugs here, but with those little spikes, even if you didn't have those mounting plugs, this thing ain't gonna go anywhere. It goes up behind the gas pedal for protection, underneath the gas pedal, underneath the brake pedal, all the way up as high as it could be. I like that dead man pedal because I like to rest my foot there, and that would be sloppy if it wasn't covered. And I'm digging these already. These are definitely keepers. It comes with the rear mats. So let's go take a look at how we're going to put in the rear mats and how that looks. Okay, first impressions. It just dropped right in pretty good. This started to, I guess it'll just mold itself after a while. Not a big deal. This is like super glued. Let's step inside. This coverage over these humps in the corner, over this hump here, very deep for water. I mean, you could get a lot of water and junk in there and it's not going to overspill. Now the hump, it's got a nice little bubble textured platform up here. No gaps, no bubbles. Fits snug. Full coverage protection over here. Right under the railing there. Very nice. Over here we got a little so right here. Not a big deal. It ain't gonna go anywhere. Deep coverage for water protection. Looks good, feels good. I think for the money, you can't go wrong. What I pay, I think I paid like 100 to 120, no more than that. I think it was more like 110. Delivered. I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, in the nice summer days, I might put the material back because, I don't know, it feels a little bit more plush with material. But these things fit so good. The only time I'd be taking them out is to really give them a good wash. I could probably cleaned them inside the car with a nice damp rag and a wipe down. I probably wouldn't even have to pull it out unless I have a major spill or something. And let's take a look at the fronts. I think they complement the car design. Seems like a cheap, easy upgrade that's super functional. It's gonna really protect the car. So money well spent, I think. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, helps out the channel. Hopefully we'll be doing more mods as we go along to my Subaru. All right, take it easy. Thanks.